what we have here.
Welcome back to another episode of We Rebuild. Today, it's going to be all about the 328i. We're going to get 4 new tires for it. We're just waiting for those tires to come in. UPS said they're on the way, so it should be delivered today. Before we hop into it, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments down below, turn your post notifications on. Check us out on Instagram at We Rebuild. Let's go. Let's hop into it.
What we have here. The tires just came. So these are the 4 tires we're gonna put on the 328. So we're gonna take a stop at Chico's Tires. Shout out to King's Customs because they're the ones that introduced me to Chico's Tires. Now let's go. Now we're about to get these tires in the car. So we just made it to Chico's Tires. So we're gonna get these tires done. Let's go. Look at those tires. Look at those tires. So now I'm about to reset all the tires. I have to now drive for a while to make sure everything is good. So we're gonna take the car for a drive. So it said reset successful, so we're good. All the tires are good.
It's the next couple of days. So we didn't end up doing the alignment on the 328i, and then someone ended up buying it from me. So we broke off even with it. We sold it for $22,000. The Volkswagen is gone. We sold it for $3,000. We kind of lost with that one because we spent about $4,000 in fixing it. So we probably lost $1,000 on that. But stay tuned. We got some more content coming in soon. So we're not back home. We're in California. So that's why I haven't been posting a whole lot. But once we're back home, we're gonna start posting some more, dropping more videos. So just stay tuned for that. So like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below, turn your post notifications on. Check us out on Instagram at We Rebuild. Until next time, stay positive, stay motivated.